Google Drive is one of the most popular and cost-effective cloud data storage. It allows you to store distinct file types on the server. However, sometimes, you are required to export your drive files to OneDrive, local drive, or even another Google Drive. So, we bring you the most efficient and easy-to-use application, DRS Google Drive Migration Tool. DRS Google Drive Data Migration Tool is equipped with numerous advanced features. Let us see some of the most prominent functionalities. This G Drive migration software enables you to back up your files into your system. You can also export files to OneDrive or even another Google Drive account. This filter helps you to migrate specific file types from the selected drive items. It enables you to export Google Drive items related to a particular date range. The application allows you to export files with the same name and properties. You can also delete the selected items from Google Drive after completing the migration. Before you use the Google Drive migration tool, you need to meet some essential requirements because they are prerequisites to using the application. You have to run the application as an administrator. An active internet connection is necessary to connect to the server. Turn off the antivirus and firewall as they block some parts of the program. Now, we have learned about the features and prerequisites for the application. It is time to learn how to migrate Google Drive to a local drive using the DRS Google Drive Migration Tool. Open Google Chrome in your system and type DRS Google Drive Migration Tool in the search bar. Press Enter. Click on the search result related to the website datarecoverysolutions.com. Click on the Download button to download the DRS Google Drive Migration Tool. Install the software and run it as administrator. Now, you are on the home screen of the G Drive Migrator. Click on the Next button to log into the source Google Drive account. The application asks for login credentials. Provide the email address and press Next. After that, enter the current password of your Gmail account and hit the Next button. Now, you have to permit the application to access your data. Tick the options and press Continue. You will see an authentication successful message. Go back to the tool. Here, the application scans your Google Drive data. As the processing completes, you will see a preview of all the files in the left section and basic detail in the right section. Click on any item to check its detail. Select the items you want to migrate from the tree structure preview and click on the Next button. In the next screen, you will see the migration options. Here, you can add filters to specify what items you want to migrate. First is the file extension-based filter. Tick the Select extension of files to enable this functionality. After that, add the desired file types in the given field and press Add Extension. Once you press the button, the file extensions are added. You can also remove the file types you have added. Next, tick the Select Dates to use the Date filter. This filter allows you to export items of a specific date range. Below that there are two options, Created Date and Modified Date. Choosing an option will define whether the date filter is based on the created date or modified date of the items. After that, enter suitable start date and end date in their respective fields. You can click on the inbuilt calendar and choose any desired date. Click on the Add button to add the entry to the list. Similarly, you can add multiple date range entries. If you have added an incorrect entry, you can click on the Remove Date button. To delete all the added entries, click on the Remove All button. The next option is the Allow Duplicate Files. Enable this feature if you want to migrate Google Drive files of the same name and properties. After that, the Free Up Server Space option will delete the selected items from your drive after migration. Tick this feature if you want to do so. Till now, you have set your preferences regarding the migration. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Expand the list of destination drives and select the local drive. Hit the Next button. Now, in the File Explorer wizard, assign a suitable location to the resultant file and press Open. After that, give an appropriate name to the output folder that will store your Google Drive files, and click the OK button. Now, the application processes the migration request and exports the selected drive items. After finishing the process, you will see the list of files, their status of migration, and their sizes. Click on the Download Report button to save this report in CSV format. Press the Migrate Again option to export other Google Drive files. To close the application, click on the Exit button. It is the complete working procedure of the DRS Google Drive Migration Tool. Here, we have discussed all the options available in the application and their functions. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.